Hi, I'm Renee Cath, Area Manager Gold Coast. I'm also part of the Emergency Management team for Energex. I'd just like to thank you all for your patience while we continually work to restore power to those areas that have been heavily hit. And I just want to explain to you that we do have 2,000 staff out there on the ground that are currently working around the clock to restore power where it's safe to do so. But some of the challenges we are also facing is that the weather, it's brought down lots of trees, it's very boggy, it's very hard for us to get into some areas. We're doing absolutely everything we can, and we want you to rest assured that we won't stop until we have got everyone safely back on.